YouTube. So since I got my license and stuff back, I'm gonna do some stuff to the core since she's been sitting for a while. I'm about to seafoam it, and then I already changed the oil, but I'm basically just gonna focus on the seafoam just to get rid of like all the carbon deposits and stuff. But we're about to go do that now, so come with me. That's what we're gonna be doing, the Honda core. All right, so first we had to find which vacuum hose for the intake manifold. So I found that right here, nice and sucky. But now I'm gonna pour a little bit in the gas tank. All right, so we're just gonna pour a little bit in the gas tank. That should be good. That basically, when you put in the gas tank, it's gonna clean your injectors and shit. So, I mean, my car's been sitting. That's the only reason why I'm doing this. But now we can start the car back up. And now we can start sucking it up this way. So you're always gonna want some sort of like capsule or something, because you don't want to just do it straight from the bottle unless you can finesse it. But I'm gonna do a little cap at a time. So let's do that. Here we go. Ugh. You want to do this nice and slow. You don't just want to shove this thing in there or it's gonna shut your engine off.
She's a thirsty bugger.
Alright. I'm gonna do one more cap full. And then we should be good.
Yeah, I hear that. Double cups. Double cups.
Alright. Alright. Now you just shut your engine off, wait like 5 to 10 minutes, turn it back on, and let the smoke spit out all that nasty carbon shit. All right, so we waited about like 8 minutes or whatever, so we're gonna go start it up and see some smoke. Check out these slicks. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Hey. Alright, so basically I'm hoping for a car dynoed because it's been sitting for a while and he didn't have a good tune on it before. Trying to, I don't know, get things working right.